Hello and welcome to this channel. This is an ode to eco-fair and fashion where I also incorporate beauty into the mix, and let's get to it. Today's video is the bare eye makeup look, and I love doing these kinds of videos because I'm more of a natural makeup girl. I don't like wearing a lot of makeup. I barely wear foundation or concealer, but this is just perfect for anyone who considers themselves a minimalist, the 5-minute get ready kind of person, the one that is the mom that doesn't have a lot of time to really just put on a ton of makeup. Not even a ton, but you know, even just the few products that you do wear, it's still time consuming. But this one is something that I absolutely love. I love the look of it. It's very fresh and it just gives off a very fresh look, clean, and it just really just focuses on the lashes and the upper half of the face, the brows and the lashes. Let's get into it. Just so you know, I'm using 3 ingredients. Okay, so I'm using one is a product which is your lash curler, and this is just a lash curler. The second product is the mascara, and then the third product is the brows, and that is it. You can top it off with like a lip balm or your favorite lip gloss. So these are 3 of my favorites that I love wearing. I love pulling them and then just keeping it with me throughout the day. But this is a lip balm, this is a lip gloss. I can tell you the names. This is Florence by Millie. Florence by Mills is the name of the gloss, and you can get this at Ulta. This is the lip balm and lemon cardamom by Soothing Touch, which you can get at Whole Foods, or a lot of natural markets carry that too. And then this is the vintage lip balm. It's the lip licking lip balm, and this is something you have to order online. I've never seen this in store, but they're really cute. It's like a little tray of lip balm, lip gloss / lip gloss. It has a little bit of a shine to it, but they're all like old vintage. They used to make these a long time ago in these little like tin containers, and just like the lid slides, so that way you just like can stick your finger in and put the lip balm on that way. But it comes in all these fun flavors, like you name it. This one's bubble gum. It comes in like strawberry daiquiri. It comes in all these like fun like foodie color flavors. It comes in like chocolate, root beer, pina colada. So these I absolutely love. These you have to order online. So let's get into the look. So first I'm gonna just curl my lashes, and it's very you can just get any lash curler. You can buy one at the drugstore, you can get one at a beauty specialty shop, the mall, you can get it at, you know, wherever. You just wanna curl your lashes really well. And this is automatically, I don't know if you can see it automatically just lifted my lashes. It opens up your eyes, makes everything look open, brighter, more awake. And so once you've curled your lashes, you're gonna go in with the mascara. And you just choose the one mascara that you absolutely adore, the one that you wear on an everyday, and you're just gonna put on a fair amount of coats because really this is the only product that you're gonna be using. So I just want my lashes nice and thick and long and colored, you know. I want them to look as, you know, as black as possible. I like black mascara. I think brown is gonna be like a little too natural, because you still want this to be a makeup look. You still want your eyes to really stand out. So it's very pretty. when you curl your lashes, by curling your lashes, it also helps, makes the application a lot easier, the mascara application a lot easier, especially if you have like just straighter lashes that kind of grow downward. This can really help with when you're applying the mascara, makes it easier. And I did get a little on the left lid. I'm just gonna pull it off, and then I'm just gonna go back in. I just love the bare eyelid look. I love shadow too, but sometimes, especially like sometimes I just want a bare lid. I don't want to wear any makeup on my eyelids. And I'm not wearing any mascara or primer or anything on my eyelids. And that is that. So it's really, really pretty. All you really see are the lashes. They're like the thing that's really going to stand out in this look. And then to really help define and add more focus and more frame, so it's gonna, the brows, by coloring your brows in, really gonna help to frame the upper eye area or upper face area altogether. However, with the brows, I don't like to do them too much. I want it just to be really natural. I don't do the stencil in, or I don't use the stencils for this look. I don't use powder. I mean, you could use powder, but just to get that real authentic, like dense brow, I'm gonna go in with a pencil. Of all products, I'm gonna go in with a pencil, not a powder, not, you know, so, or the little pot of cream. You could use the cream, but this is just an easy pencil, and this one's this one's slanted, slightly angled, and it's the wider pencil. But you could use any pencil, honestly. I'm just gonna fill in just to, again, frame the face, frame the eyes, and see how much darker they already are, and it just still looks natural. And again, we're going for that real fresh look. And honestly, this really took even less than 5 minutes to do. And it doesn't have to be perfect. This is like a very raw, very natural makeup look, which is pretty much based on just a natural, no makeup face. But that is it. I'm gonna put a little bit, I don't know, maybe I'll do the lip balm. So this is just with lip balm on, as you can see. Really fresh, really natural. And then this is, I'm gonna just put a little bit of the gloss so you can see the difference. Just to add a little bit more, enhance the lips, give them a little bit more pouty look, a little bit more, give them some shine. And it's just so pretty. I love it. If you are a concealer person and you just feel like you need the concealer, use a concealer or an eye brightener, but just for under the eye. You know, you could always add that as well. But honestly, like if you even just by curling your lashes and then adding mascara, it takes the focus off of the under eye area. It really does. And not to say that you're not going to see any darkness under the eye, if that's something that is a concern of yours, but it definitely, just by wearing mascara, is going to help just to like bring all of the focus upward. So it's going to just immediately just focus on your lashes and take away any attention from under the eyes. So very, very natural still, not like wearing faux lashes. It's not about wearing faux lashes or wearing like a ton of mascara. It's just wearing enough mascara where it enhances your lashes, makes them look longer and thicker and richer and darker, and that's that, you know. You want to just keep it really fresh and clean, and that's the whole purpose of this look. And that is it. Get the brows, fill them in, and then you are ready to go for the day. That is it. That is the bare eye makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's very easy and simple to do. It will make your life so much easier to find makeup looks that are just really simplistic and you know, no time at all, very little time taken up out of your day. So that is it. And I thank you guys for watching.